Welcome to a world where beauty grows on vines. Flowering vines are nature's way of painting vertical canvases, transforming walls, trellises, and fences into breathtaking landscapes. In this video, we'll take a closer look at 5 of the most stunning flowering vines that can elevate your garden to new heights of elegance. Each vine has been chosen for its visual appeal, unique features, and ease of care, making them perfect additions to gardens of all kinds. Let's begin with the radiant bougainvillea, a vine known for its vibrant clusters of colorful bracts that mimic delicate petals. Available in shades of magenta, orange, and white, this sun-loving plant thrives in warm climates and well-drained soil. A simple pruning routine keeps it lush and tidy, making it a favorite for arbors and pergolas. Next is the clematis, often referred to as the queen of climbers. This vine offers an incredible variety of blooms, from large and bold to delicate and star-like. Clematis prefers cool roots and sunny tops, so mulching and thoughtful placement are key to its success. It's ideal for adding a touch of sophistication to your garden. Our third showstopper is the trumpet vine, celebrated for its bold, tubular orange-red blooms that attract hummingbirds. This hardy climber thrives in full sun and adapts to various soil conditions. However, its vigorous growth requires regular maintenance to keep it in check. Prepare to be enchanted by wisteria, a vine that drapes itself in cascades of fragrant lavender or white blooms. Known for its elegance, wisteria thrives in full sun and requires strong support structures to accommodate its robust growth. Proper pruning is essential to encourage flowering and maintain its beauty year after year. Finally, there's the sweet-scented jasmine. Its small, star-shaped flowers exude a fragrance that transforms any garden into a sensory paradise. This vine loves sunny to partially shaded spots and well-drained soil. Perfect for fences, trellises, or even as ground cover, jasmine offers both versatility and charm. Flowering vines like these are not only visually captivating but also incredibly versatile in landscaping. They can turn even the simplest spaces into lush, vibrant retreats. Flowering vines do more than add beauty to your garden. They create a sensory experience with their fragrance and the pollinators they attract. To make the most of them, choose vines that suit your garden's sunlight, soil type, and space availability. For example, bougainvillea thrives in full sun, while clematis prefers a bit of shade for its roots. Common challenges like overgrowth or pest issues can be easily managed with regular care and the right growing conditions. Now it's time to get creative. Experiment with different flowering vines to find the ones that resonate with your garden's personality. Dive into books, gardening blogs, or visit local nurseries to explore new options.